before you look at the skills that you need to develop, identify first your business calling. Meron kaming course na DYBC, which is Discover Your Business Calling. And dito sa Discover Your Business Calling, what happens is I give you a worksheet. You list down everything, answer all the questions that's in the worksheet. Medyo mahaba yon dahil depende yun sa haba ng buhay mo. No? So I ask questions about your lolos lolas, yung mga magulang mo, sino yung mga kasama mo habang lumalaki ka and all. Because I will be looking at everything. I want you to examine and go back to everything to identify talaga kung ano yon. And then from there, I would like to go on a one-on-one call with you for at least 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Kung minsan, yung the last one that we did, inabot kami ng 3 oras. To go through everything in your life to find out ano ba talaga ang business calling. And from there, that's when you identify the skills that you need to develop. Usually, pag alam mo na yung business calling mo, wala nang masyadong skills kasi ang mga skills na yan, nasa iyo na. But because napaka-natural sa'yo, you take it for granted na pag hindi tiningnan ng ibang tao, hindi mo mapapansin na, ay, ako lang pala ang meron nito. No? And that's why having a one-on-one session with me really helps the person identify. Kasi I'm looking at it from my perspective na I don't know you personally, wala akong alam, and sa mga kinikwento mo sa iyong worksheet, na-identify mo kung ano-ano yung mga superpowers mo. And from there, we will be able to identify the business. So yung skills, hindi masyadong kailangan sa technical skills dahil meron ka na nun in general.